Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and FunTouch OS version so the exact navigation options match. Back up your home layout or note icon placements in case you reset. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to find Navigation or Buttons quickly. This jumps straight to the controls you need. You do this because different versions move the toggle locations. Now tap the navigation entry to reveal home and back button customization options. Now you pick the navigation mode: gesture, 3-button, or 2-button. If you choose 3-button, look for the option to rearrange button order and select the layout with back on the side you prefer. Make sure to test how a short press and long press behave, because some Vivo builds let you assign long press actions. Once you set the order, tap Apply or simply Exit. The system usually saves instantly, and you should see button positions update on the home screen. Finish by testing common actions: back, home, and recent. If the back button doesn't respond, reboot the phone first. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure to try toggling to gesture navigation and back again to refresh the mapping if problems persist. If options are missing, check for a system update or clear settings cache via Recovery or App Info. Finally, reset navigation to default only if nothing else works. That restores original layout without erasing apps or data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.